Build My Future is a program that was started in Springfield, Missouri by their Home Builders Association. Some of us executive officers from the state of Iowa went down to visit that. It's a fabulous event. We came back and discussed having events like it across the state of Iowa. Here in Iowa City, Cedar Rapids, and over in the Quad Cities, we focus on middle schools. And that way they can get some experience and get some hands-on tools and training to decide if they want to take the ACE classes. The NHE is the philanthropic arm of the National Association of Home Builders. They make it possible for local home builders associations like the Iowa City and Cedar Rapids HBAs to hold events like Build My Future. We can apply for funds so that we can buy things like shirts, bags, and the people that are here today working with the students. They support the Home Builders Institute that has national programs like the Pre-Apprenticeship Certification Training Program to help educate high school students.
I teach construction management at Kirkwood Community College. I'm also the chairperson for the Workforce Development Committee, and I serve on the board of directors for the Cedar Rapids Home Builders Association as well. We know that labor shortage is such a crucial thing for most employers in our area. It is really across the country. Our efforts to increase the amount of people interested in these careers is paramount for us. We have partnerships with our ACE Academy. ACE, A-C-E, is Architecture, Construction, Engineering Academy. So students, while they're in high school, get the opportunity to try out careers within this industry, see if it's a good fit for them. If that is a good fit, then we encourage them to go on to post-secondary education. That could be an apprenticeship, that could be going to Kirkwood Community College for a 1-year or 2-year program, or certainly into a 4-year college as well, whatever the best fit for that student might be.
The Vocational Training Council of the Home Builders Association of Iowa City supports the students going to the skilled trades by purchasing supplies for the local schools, and they're building sheds that we'll sell to the public during the Parade of Homes. And so that helps to put funds back into the program. This year the students are building a she shed, and then next year we're going to put in orders. So if people are interested in a chicken coop, a she shed, a man cave, things like that, the students will build it for them, and it gives them the experience that they need.
I'm a member of the Iowa City Home Builders Association and the Vocational Training Council. Anytime we can get our members interact with high school kids, junior high kids, and kind of give them knowledge that we have in the trades and an opportunity to ask us questions and work alongside us, it's great.
It's a great career. It pays really well. There's good benefits to be had, and it's in high demand. There's, I think, like 300,000 jobs open across the United States right now, and they're all paying really well.